Okay, so welcome to Wednesday's lesson. So this is the third one of the week, and it is the 20th of January, I think. And we are still dividing 2 digits by 1 digit. So remember, there is a White Rose video that links to this, which is showing you kind of almost like the lesson and the R turn, and it's talking you through lots of examples. This is just me going through a couple of the answers on the sheet that I think might trip you up. Remember, if there's any other answers that you're really stuck on, then you can get someone to message me on Dojo, and then I can do another little video if there's lots of people stuck on the same one. So, we are still dividing 2 digits by 1 digit, but we are using this thing called remainders today. So remainders are any numbers that don't fit equally into a division. Okay, so remember, when we divide, we share, and if they don't fit into our sharing nicely, then we call them remainders, and we just pop them on the end. So Mr. Mo has been playing with lolly sticks. So Mo has these lolly sticks, so you will need to count them in a minute, and he uses them to make squares. So what we want to know is how many squares can Mo make? So you need to essentially put these into groups of 4, okay? So let's see if I can do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be easier with a pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And can you see there is 1 left over? So how many squares can Mo make altogether? And how many are remaining? How many remainders are there? So what you need to do is you need to complete the sentences by putting a number in each of the boxes. So you need to read the sentence and put the right number in, okay? You can do that bit by yourself. So if you want to pause the video here, and then after I'm going to go on to the next question. All right, so this is just another way to work out a division, but using a remainder. So it's asking you 23 divided by 4. So it's going to be something, remainder, something. So you're going to use repeated subtraction. So if you draw on your book, or you've got on the sheet a number line, and it's 23 is a big number at the end of the number line. And what they have done is they've done a big jump of 4 to get to 19. And then they've done another big jump of 4 to get to 15. So now what we need to do is we need to do some more jumps of 4 until we get near to the end. But they have to be a jump of 4. They can't be a jump of 3. They can't be a jump of 5. They have to be a jump of 4. So what I do, which they haven't done, but what helps me, is to do small jumps underneath. Okay, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do one big jump over the top. And then I've been writing 4 as well, just because that helps me. You don't have to do that, but that helps me work out the jumps of 4. Have a go at that yourself, and then we're going to go through the answer. Pause the video here. Okie dokie, so we're going to work out the answer ourselves. So I'm going to do another jump of, oh my goodness, this keeps happening. It's like being in class. 1, 2, 3, 4. So another jump of 4. So think about what that might be. So 15 take away 4 is going to be 11. Okay, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do another jump of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 11 take away 4. So you can just count down if you want. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. There we go. And then we're going to do another jump of 4. Well, that's a terrible 7. Don't look at me for an example of how to do a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do another jump of 4. So that's going to equal, see how quick my maths is, 3. Okay, so we can't do another jump of 4, okay? Because if we have a little think, what's that actually going to be? 1, 2, 3. It's going to be a jump of 3. We can't do a jump of 3, okay, because we're only doing jumps of 4. So what the answer is going to be is however many jumps of 4 you did. So not including the jump of 3 at the end. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our first answer is going to be 5 full jumps of 4. And then there's going to be a remainder at the end, isn't it? Because I had 3 at the end that we didn't end up putting in a jump of 4 because there wasn't enough. So it'll be 5, remainder 3. Okay. Now this is question number 8, which again, remember, this means this is the hardest or one of the hardest questions on the whole paper. It's like a SATs paper. As it gets, as you go through, they are getting trickier. So please don't worry if you found these tricky, okay? I found some of these tricky. So you just need to be able to work through it in kind of like a sensible, easy way. Okay, so what we need to do, I've just gone the first one for you, but there's actually 3 for you to be doing on question 8. 87 divided by 4. So it doesn't actually kind of give you any helpers or any lines or anything to help you. So that means you can use a piece of paper or you can write on the sheet or whatever you like to work out yourself. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a place value chart. So, but you don't have to, you can do a number line. So to do this, we need a big, there we go, and it needs to be 4, doesn't it? I'm going to do 5 so that I can split it up. It's easier for me, isn't it? Because I have a special machine. That means my lines are really straight. So we're going to put 10s here and we're going to put 1s here. And can you see what I might do as well, actually, is just make sure there's a line there so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th box there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to split up 87 and 4, and there is going to be some remainders, and we can just pop the remainders on the end. All right, so we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So obviously we've got to 80, okay? So that means that's equal, isn't it? There's 2 or 20 in each, there's 2 10s in each. And then we use the 1s, which is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need to think, I'm not going to fit another 1 in each because that would be 8 and it's only 7, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So we've got 22, 4, 6, 8, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 85, 86, 87. So we've got 3 left over. So have a little think. What's our answer going to be? You can stop the video here and have a go yourself and have a go at the other questions on the sheet. Good luck, and I'd hope to see all your questions answered on Dojo later on. Bye.